Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I have the Galaxy A36, it's my personal phone, and we will be replacing this rear glass panel. Now, I have ordered a replacement rear glass panel for this phone. As you can see, it's the A36. So, it's kind of a funny story with this. The first day I got it, I ended up dropping it outside and all that. But yeah, obviously what we're going to do is we're going to power off the device, if it will let me. You always want to do this step before going directly into the back of your phone. I have made this mistake multiple times, and trust me, it is not a good decision to leave your phone powered on, because yeah, if you end up leaving that on, you could fry the whole entire device. So we are going to go in here, use this little pry tool to get this old rear glass panel off. Now, when it comes down to glass like this, it tends to get everywhere. So obviously, we're going to be as careful as possible around certain spots of the device. At this point, you could just lift straight off, and right there's the back of the phone. As you can see, you should be careful because there is a main antenna line right here. And right here is your charging port ribbon connected to the main motherboard. And this is your vapor chamber. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to obviously dispose of the old rear glass panel, clean off our surface a little bit, so then that way when we pull out our new glass panel, the glass from the old rear panel does not get mixed with the new glass panel, because the last thing that you want to do is break your new rear glass panel. Now right there it is. I'm going to open it. Now what we are going to do is, I like to be necessarily prepared. Thank goodness that this did come with some extra adhesive, just in case if it was needed. Obviously, I'd be putting extra adhesive right here, but that's all totally up to you. But now, since we have the old rear glass panel off, what you would want to do is go in, make sure that there's no extra adhesive laying on the back of the device. Alright, so it appears we are good from here. Now what we will do is we will peel back the old adhesive and take out these small bits. And what we will do is we will carefully set it into the frame. You would want to make sure that it is perfectly aligned with the back of the phone. Obviously, you don't have to get this right the first time. And there you have it. This is a at-home DIY video on how to repair your rear glass panel on your cell phone. As I said, mine is the A36. So now let's peel away. And we are done. We went from this to this. Now, doesn't that look a whole lot better? Now let's turn on the device, make sure that everything works as followed. This right here is a good phone if y'all were to want to get one for yourself. Mine is locked through Cricket specifically, but it has good cameras. So yeah, now let's make sure everything is actually working as planned, or as I should say, in my case, as anticipated. Let's comment. Let's make sure that we could still make phone calls. Yep. We are all set. So this has been a tutorial on how to fix your Galaxy A36 or any type of Galaxy phone. Now, I do recommend, if you do have an iPhone, not to try this unless if you have the 15 or higher. This part costed me about $19 plus tax on eBay. Came up to roughly $30 US dollars, of course. As I said, that's off eBay. This part did come from China. So yeah. If you liked today's video, please leave a thumbs up, comment what phone you have, and If you like the video and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any videos. This was Ordinary Michiganer coming at you with a repair video on my Galaxy A36. Remember to stay curious. And remember, your life is worth everything. Stay safe.